Alright guys, so she is back on the road. It's fantastic. And this is why you always keep jumper cables. This is why you have essentials in your vehicle. So now I'm just going to reorganize all my stuff. And now you guys know how to jump off a vehicle if you need to. Or like in Baltimore, they call it a hot shot. I need a hot shot. Like, there's a bunch of little expressions and they all mean the same thing. So for me, when I'm putting my jumper cables together, I put these two like this. And then I put these two together. And you can also do it like this. You can connect it. Well, no, this little pack doesn't let you do it. I just wrap them up. That's it. There's fancier ways to do it, but this one actually has like a little. Just put them back in the bag. Bada boom, bada bang. Put your jumper cables up. And the little Rogue is back on the road. And that's it. And luckily I had my truck organized, so I knew I had them in here. So, now we're going to get back to driving. Okay? Okay. Izzy, do you know how to start a car? No? Well, guess what? Mommy just made a video on how to jump start a car. No, you don't know how to jump start a car. It's okay. Oh, you think you do know how? It's okay. There's a video. So at some point you'll see the video on how to jump start a car. It'll be fine. What? You feel like what? No, it's a grown-up thing. I bet you, Izzy, you're only 10. So I bet you that there are people that are like way older than you that don't know how to do it. Yeah. I bet you there's like 20-year-olds, 30-year-olds, 40-year-olds, 50 years old, a bunch of different ages that don't know how to do it.
Even Poppy's age?
There are probably some people Poppy's age that don't know how to jumpstart a vehicle. That's fine. I don't know. Maybe not the ones that are that old because they've seen a lot and they've done a lot. And that's why they're important. That's why the older people are important because they have lots of stories to tell. Just saying. All right, you want to, now where do you want to go? Do you want to try to go to another Dollar Tree? Because I really need to trim my nose hairs. Let's go to another Dollar Tree. That's our next mission, is to go to a different Dollar Tree so that maybe we can hurry up and find some stuff. No, you got tweezers, but I did need tweezers, so you still did a good job. And so when you see pack on a piece of paper, because you bought me like a bunch of water bottles, big water bottles, so 6 packs means that there are 6 bottles in a pack. Oh, look at all these sexy trucks. See, that's the only time I want to see a truck like with their back end down. Ooh, look at him. He's a hard-working trucky truck, and he's even got a 5th wheel on him. Oh, Mr. Tundra was going to let me in, but then I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the other guy. I'm sorry, Mr. Tundra. I like Tundras too. FJs are kind of weird because, like, you know, fake
That
Jeeps.
Jeep looks like it has 2 eyes facing
It's
this way.
not a Jeep. It's a Toyota FJ, which is funny because it's like totally a fake Jeep, but then like there's a person association that I have with that vehicle.
Its eyes are like going that way and then going that way, but not like just not going straight.
Yep. All right, on to the Dollar Tree.
Variety of music.